Puca steals Mommy's fish tank. Here comes the juice.
Please enjoy your drink.
The juice.
Please enjoy your drink.
Wow, what a nice looking fish tank. Huh? Oh, I forgot to buy some fish food. Watch the fish tank for me a bit, will you?
Okay, Mommy. No.
Oh, Mom, let me play for a bit.
No.
Is Puca up to something, I wonder? Hey, it's a chicken drumstick. Oh my, I wonder if PICA can catch it in time.
Puca. Huh? Puca, open the door.
Oh my, is Puca feeding the fish with milk?
Mommy, Puca stole the fish tank.
I just want to play with the fish.
Oh my lord,